Okay, here we go. We've got a question about positions of 4 stars on the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram, and we're trying to say which one is a white dwarf. Not a lot of working to do here, but a bit of a discussion. Let's go for it. Okay, I think this is one that you could do from recall. The answer here is A. I'm not going to go into loads of detail about this one, but I do think it's worthwhile thinking a bit about what these kind of points mean on the graph. It's really important that we've got the sun in here. The sun is what we call a main sequence star, and what that means is it's on the kind of the main part of its lifetime. It's not dying, it's not forming, and so therefore actually we expect the sun and other main sequence stars to be on a line which kind of works diagonally from the top left to the bottom right, and that's where B and D are. B and D are most likely main sequence stars. Okay, they have different temperatures and they have different sizes, they have different masses. Okay, so there's a lot of differences between these guys. A and C are the ones that are off from the main sequence, and so they would be one of your choices here. Now if we look at C, C is likely a red super or simply just a red giant. Why? Because it has a low temperature. Okay, remember, let's think about Wien's law. Low temperature means high wavelength. High wavelength means you're more likely to be looking at something which is red in this case. Okay, it's also very luminous. Why? Because it's big, it's a giant, it has a large R, and luminosity goes with R squared, so that makes sense too. If we're looking down at A, which is our answer here, we've got a very hot object, okay, with a very low luminosity. And that doesn't really work for our, in terms of our Stefan-Boltzmann law. Stefan-Boltzmann law goes with temperature to the power of 4, so it would suggest that this should be very, very bright. Why is it not bright? It's because it's very small. It's very small, that means it is a white dwarf, and that's why the answer here is A.